guys, we've come to our first location. As you can see, it's pouring down. There's no action.
Day one, and we have Nathan, who was late, waking up again. Nathan, what do you have to say for yourself, mate?
I'm tired, man.
Alright, I'll allow you. So cool, let's make our way to Folkestone.
What I like to say is every car is so unique. Not one AMG is the same. The specification, the colours, it's got the character. So it makes you fall in love with it. It's the kind of car that you never want to give up, basically.
As always, up bright and early, ready to roll.
That's it. He's always ready. This guy's always ready.
For the second time, let's roll, boys.
Trouble already. We ain't even left the country, yeah? Fucking cut the left right left. No. I could have done 1 week before we left. Left. Then what Sharpie on? I've got a caliber plate, that caliber plate, I think. Yes? Yeah, I've got some for years. Is it gloss? It's gloss. It's got the same colour wheels as mine. Sweet, can I borrow something?
Yeah, just got that little bit there.
No. Can we both borrow something? Yeah, do you want it now? Yeah, fuck it. I'll touch up the wheel now.
Well, we're here now in the second stop, and then after this we're going to go straight to the SS Rotterdam Hotel. We made it together as one team. Like I said before, we come together, we go together. Big up to everyone, Team AMG.
I've had enough of this ish. Nas, Jaff, Mo, Twin, 90, speed that ish, rev that ish. Ish.
Okay, we're on day 2 now. Yesterday we had an amazing time. We started off at Calais, we convoyed all the way to Antwerp, then we got into the Netherlands and came to the hotel. The hotel's amazing. We've got 17 AMGs here now, and we're on to day 2. We're gonna go to an island, we're gonna do some go-karting, and we're gonna do some more meetups with the Netherlands lot, and Team AMG.
Yeah, got more miles on the plane, cold tires on the terrain, more rooms in the train, speed, yeah, speed, yeah. I feel like I'm going faster. I hear the speed of the wind, yeah.
So guys, we've come to our first location. As you can see, it's pouring down. There's no action at the moment. Or is there?
Pull up exhausted speed, yeah. Got more miles in the plane, cold tires on the terrain, more rooms in the.
Yeah, so we're gonna finish off the evening with some go-karting, have some good fun with the team. So we've got 30 people, 2 groups of 15. It's gonna be amazing. We're gonna have so much fun.
Got no time for boom, boom. I feel the car going faster. Look, do you hear that room? Got no time for boom, boom. I feel the car going faster. Yeah, I hear the speed of the wind, yeah. I feel the car going faster. I hear the speed of the wind, yeah.
I've had enough of this ish. Nas, Jaff, Mo, Twin, 90. Speed that ish, rev that ish. Ish. I've had enough of this ish.
Hey guys, we arrived to TEAMAMGUK. This is the first location. We tried to get every cast together from Germany, from other European countries, and then once everyone's here, we're going to set off in the next half hour, and we're going to enjoy the ride. You know, it's been fantastic so far. Beautiful convoy of AMGs, sea of AMGs. Probably, like I said, one of the biggest AMG meets so far, and we're looking to progress further.
Spending up on this ish. Crew going up for this. Enough of this ish. Nas, push it, rev it, launch it. Too many man go too slow. Gotta drive on crew to the AMG UK. I've had enough of this ish. Speed that ish, rev that ish. See that smoke go high. Lit the whole damn sky.
So nice, where are we off to now? We're off to our second location,
Yeah, with a bit of traffic at the moment, man, but as you can see, man, look ahead, man, we've got the pocket rockets, we've got all the AMGs, we're there in 5 minutes, but we must have blocked this junction, you know what I mean?
Look, I don't wanna be spending on these new tires, spinning, hitting those rims near my alloys. What? You wanna shotgun me, you better not backseat driver, you crazy. Rah! I've had enough of your new Caucasian. I drive my German AMG class like a new Jamaican. What? I had enough of your new boy H. I'm like Nas with his V8 revving. What? I drive my car at whatever damn speed I wanna do, you pagan. I don't take advice from a new guy who drives all dangerous. I just wanna speed drive and test my car, you stupid hater. I just wanna speed like I'm on speed and all drive speed. Cause I don't know what to bring. Watch me zoom past all you haters. Look, I don't wanna be spinning on these new tires, spinning, hitting those rims near my alloys. What? You wanna shotgun me, you better not backseat driver, you crazy. I've had enough of your new Caucasian. I drive my German AMG class like a new Jamaican. What? I just wanna speed like I'm on speed and all drive speed. Cause I don't know how to break speed. Watch me zoom past all you haters. Look, I don't wanna be spinning on these new tires, spinning, hitting those rims near my alloys. What? You wanna shotgun me, you better not backseat driver, you crazy. Had enough of your new Caucasian. I drive my German AMG class like a new Jamaican. What? I had enough of your new boy.
Spinning out on these new tires, spinning here. backseat driver, you crazy.
Merc all loaded up, in my whip revving like boss. Smooth drifting like a I got the team, my AMG crew fully loaded and ready. Full crew lined up and ready. Got knives with the V8 all loaded and ready. Got knives with the V8 all loaded and ready. I went from London to Netherlands, from Folkestone to Calais. I was with the crew, speeding, driving on the highway. You better get out of my way. I got the team, my AMG crew fully loaded and ready. Full crew lined up and revving. Got knives with a V8 all loaded and ready. Perked up, petrol loaded up. Fuked up, got more miles on a gallon. Revving with my AMG. Beast mode. Spinning in my car, spinning in my Merc all loaded up. My whip revving like boss. Smooth drifting like a I got the team, AMG crew fully loaded and ready. Full crew lined up and ready. Got knives with a V8 all loaded and ready. I just wanna be famous, yeah. Look at all of you haters. Mercedes AMG craving, what? Got an engine of a beast, seatbelt fast and getting all the speed. I am a villain in the making. Cowboy, drive, cowboy, drive, I drive out of this cave, full speed like a phantom, changing lanes all day. Cowboy gonna stress cause I'm out in first place. No traction control, high speed, making all the moves all day. Mercedes AMG, I got you all day. Cowboy, drive, cowboy, drive, cowboy, drive, cowboy.
Test driving my AM, wind turbine in the bag, car lined up in the back, bro. I'm money going win. I'm heading home, heading home, heading home. I'm heading home, heading home, heading home. I'm heading home, heading home, heading home.
Henry, did you enjoy your time? That's good, bro. Sick, bro. Cheers.
I'm heading home, heading home, heading home, heading home, heading home, heading home, heading home. Test driving my AM, wind turbine in the back, car lined up in the back. I'm heading home.
The sum up trip has been magnificent. Everyone pulled through, such a great time, good venues. To be honest, there's so many of us, can't wait for next year. You know what I mean? So, you know, this is probably the end of the trip now for us. It's been a great adventure, and honestly, I'm lost for words. It's been magnificent.